Hello guys, this is Autosocials and today I'm going to show you how you can add subtitles to a YouTube video. Now this is really simple, so let's not waste any more time and get right into it. So once you find the video that you want to add subtitles to, just click on it and and start watching it. And on this bar at the bottom you should have a CC button. This is subtitles and closed captions. Now it will automatically select captions in your language or English, and by clicking the settings button, which is right next to it, you can select from the available languages. Now depending on the video, you will have multiple options such as English and other languages, depending on what subtitles the content creator selected. But not all videos have captions. Some won't have captions or subtitles, and you won't be able to add any subtitles to them. But in case they do, you should see this button right here, and if you click it, it will have a red underline, meaning that the subtitles are currently active. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and see you in the next one.